Hi everyone, this is Mr. Cropeland. I want to walk you through how to set up Bridge Construction Set so that you can first see it full screen. Once you've downloaded it in Mac environment, you'll click here, Bridge Construction Set, wherever you had placed it, and go to HW Config. Be sure that you've selected the correct screen resolution and make sure full screen is highlighted. Close it. Then when you open up Bridge Construction Set, it will be full screen. In the Windows environment, go to your Start button, All Programs, locate Bridge Construction Set, Hardware Configuration, and the same thing. Appropriate screen resolution, be sure full screen is highlighted. Close it, and when you open Bridge Construction Set, it will be full screen. Okay, opening Bridge Construction Set, the program. Go back to the folder and click on BCS in Mac environment. In the Windows environment, All Programs, Bridge Construction Set, and Bridge Construction Set. And the program is now open. All right, on this screen we have options. Start a game, load a bridge, load a level, new level, tutorials. This will be important. Profiles, you won't have to worry so much about this, credits, and exit. We'll start here, start game. Now typically you won't get this screen when you first start up the program the first time. It's going to ask you to create a profile. Well, you could enter in your name for the profile or just choose the default profile, which will be located up here. Then it'll bring you to this screen. You'll click Easy. It'll start you off at Easy 1. When you open up each level, the first thing you'll see is an overview of the area that you have to bridge across or span across. You'll get a budget, in this case $5,000. Wind speed, that'll be important on the higher levels. And the material that I'm able to use on this level is just iron. I click Edit, then you'll get this screen here. Now on this screen, this is where you'll build your bridge. Now you'll have a normal mode or a complex mode. Complex just adds more options. You won't need that for now, maybe later on as you get more comfortable with the program. We'll go back to normal mode. Again, I can only use iron, so now I'm going to start building. I click with my left mouse button and I drag out. Now the secret to this style of bridge is triangles. This type of a bridge is a truss bridge. So if I click up here like that, now I have a triangle shape. To check my bridge, I click Simulate. Now on this screen, I'm able to test the bridge. I can hit Reset. As you can see, my bridge failed, and I'll tell you why. But there's some other things here. The speed, fast, slow, pause, all of these will be important. If you're trying to reset or run the test and nothing happens, you probably have pause. If it's going so fast you can't really analyze it, then slow it down. Now this is going to be critical, the stress. Tension and compression, if you remember from the lessons. Tension is blue. You can see here it's stretching that bridge. So this will be important. The compression you'll see in red. When you're trying to figure out why your bridge is failing, watch those colors. Again, you want to make sure that stress is highlighted. It's not working, so I'm going to go back to Edit. And you can see my mouse. If I move down here, I can move up or down. It's wherever you put your mouse. Where do you think I need another structure? Remember, triangles. Correct, we need one right in the middle. When I hit Simulate this time, I run the test. We're moving slow, so I'm going to turn off slow and make sure fast is on. And now I can move to the next level. Each level will get more difficult. This time I have $10,000, and again I can only build with iron. And again, I can only build with iron. I click Edit. Down here are piers. I can only build below the bridge onto piers. In other words, I can't build into dirt or into mud down below. There already has to be piers down here. Now you can see I added this member here. I don't want this, so I'm going to right click to delete. If I right click, I can delete things. I can also mass delete things just by highlighting and then select the delete down here. I'm going to go back. I'm going to exit out. I'm going to go all the way back to here, to the tutorial. Now this will be real important. The tutorials will teach you how to build basic bridges like I just showed you, but also hydraulics, drawbridges. It'll also show you how to build suspension bridges. If you run into trouble, you can also go down to the help. There's 3 pages of help options. If I go back out to here and I go to new level and I click on edit level, if I click on this help file, this will show me how to create my own levels, how to create my own areas to span across. And this is where it gets really exciting as well. There are also on YouTube many videos to help you solve some of these levels. They're really challenging. This will be a great way for you to exercise your brain and to think like a bridge engineer.